Okay, today we will have your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so give me something about yourself.
My name is Rose. I'm 11 years old. I live in Bavi, Hanoi. I study at Tram Primary School. I'm in grade 5. I like blue. My hobby is drawing.
Okay, let's start. What is it?
Sports.
What sports is this?
Soccer.
This one.
Baseball.
This one.
Volleyball.
Okay, what sports is this?
Tennis.
This one.
Badminton.
This one.
Golf.
Okay.
I will talk about the sports that I like.
Okay.
I like playing soccer because it is interesting. I play soccer with my friends. I play soccer with my friends. I play soccer every weekend. My father likes to play volleyball. My mother and my sister like to. My mother and my sister likes to play badminton.
Okay, let's have this one.
Activities.
What activity is this?
Practice the piano.
Practice.
The piano.
How about this one?
Work on a project.
Okay, how about this one?
Help my parents.
Oh, help my parents. Okay, now let's have this one. Yes, she did. No, she didn't. Did she visit her friends on Sunday?
Yeah, I did.
Yes, she did.
Yeah, she did.
Okay, did she work on a project on Monday?
No, she didn't.
Okay, now let's have this one.
Today I will talk about my activities last week. On Monday, I went to school. On Tuesday, I washed the car. Wash the car. On Wednesday, I visited my grandparents. On Thursday, I watered the tree and flower. On Friday, I played badminton. On Saturday, I played drawing with my friends. I draw with my friends. On Sunday, I cleaned my room.
Okay. Which one is your mother?
She the one with long color, brown, wavy long hair and blue eyes. Black eyes.
Okay, which one is your sister?
She's the one with black shoulder hair, and blue eyes.
Okay, now what does he like doing?
He likes watching fish at birds.
What does he like doing?
He likes fishing.
What does he like doing?
He likes hiking.
Okay, now what is this?
He likes skate.
This one.
Ski.
This one.
Skateboard.
Okay, which one is the biggest? The
giraffe is the biggest.
Okay, which one is the smallest?
The ant is the smallest.
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 Which one is the heaviest?
The seal is the
Heaviest.
heaviest.
Okay, so that's our speaking class. Thank you.
Thank you for listening.